Oh, are you eating?
Tidak.
Oh,
Drinking.
yeah. You can finish it first. It's okay. Do you
No,
need to? Hmm?
it's just
Do you need
drinking.
Do you need time to finish?
No.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So how are you today?
Good.
Good. Good. Yeah. Uh, I think I haven't asked. When is your birthday? Yeah.
It's the 13th of January.
Sorry, 16?
13th of January.
13? Oh. Oh, so you just have your birthday last 2 weeks ago?
Yes.
Okay, so how are you now?
Pretty good.
No, how old are you?
No, 16.
16? Okay. Okay. Hey, wait now. Okay, before we start our class, let's play a logic game. Wait. Hmm, Let me share the screen. Hey. Hmm, Math puzzle. What's the river? Oh yeah, this. I put it on Zoom chat. You can open and share screen, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, we choose level 1. Yeah. You look at this. This is the question. Can you get all four across the river safely? Only the man and the most one of item are allowed. So the man should be included. The man is the driver. And then
Yeah.
you have to move everything here. And then do not leave the goat alone with the carrot or the wolf with the goat.
Yeah, harus. Okay.
Oh, click the character. Put in the boat. Can you? Yeah. Which one first?
Let's see.
No, it's wrong because the goat will eat the carrot. Okay,
Mm.
start again. Cannot. The wolf will eat the goat. So which one first? Yeah. 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 Continue. And then put it the okay. And then we go back. Which one that you will bring? Which one? Yeah, you should.
Tahu.
You can try. Which one? Yeah, just choose. It's okay to make a mistake. Ah. Uh, and then, but if you leave it like this, they will eat. the goat will eat the carrot, right? So how to prevent the goat eat the carrot? How to prevent the goat eat the carrot?
Take it.
You can try. Can
Oh,
you? Hmm. And then? Continue. Yeah. Yes, excellent. So that is how to solve the problem.
yeah.
What do you think? Is it difficult?
Yes.
Okay, yes. But you can solve it.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. You can stop share. Let me share screen. Yeah. Mhm. Okay. Can see my screen with
Yes.
the okay. Yes. Now we are on lesson number 2. The topic is variables. I think you also learned this in math or physics.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, next. Okay, so let's review what we learned last week. Last week we learned about algorithm, programming language, and also program. Algorithm is sequence of action to achieve a goal, step by step to achieve a goal. For example, when you want to go to school, yeah, you will wake up, take a shower, eat a breakfast, and then go to school. So that is sequence of action. And then you also learn programming language. Programming language, you communicate with the computer. So you use programming language. And program is the result of the programming language and algorithm. The example of program is website, mobile apps, the one that you find on Google App Store or Apple Store, and what else? Computer application like Microsoft Word, yeah, and other application that is program. Okay. And there is also rules of Python. First is start rule. We start the program from very beginning on the top of our lines. And then rule of order, it means we run the code from line number 1 to the bottom. And then we also have rule code design. It means we cannot change the lowercase to uppercase, or if we put a random character like space or comma, it can break the program. And last week we also learned about print. Print is a Python function to display a text. And yeah, we also do a mathematic operation last week. Can you tell me the answer of all of this?
14.
14, what else?
And 10 plus 4 is 14.
What else?
And then 20 minus 6 is 14.
What else?
And 28 divided by 2 is 14.
How about this one?
And then I'm guessing that's also 14.
Are you sure? 136 modulo 10. Modulo is reminder, sisa hasil pembagian. Is 6, not 14. How?
Ah,
Because 136 divided by 10 is 13, right? 13. 13 times 10 is
130.
130. 136 minus 130 is?
6.
Yeah, so that's why it's 6. Okay. Next. Yeah. We also learn Python also can do mathematic operation. If we have plus and multiplication, we have to prioritize multiplication first. That's why it's 8. Okay. How about this one? Should we prioritize multiplication or the one inside the bracket?
In the bracket.
Yes, the one inside the bracket. So it will be 2 times 7, 14. Okay. So today we learn about variable. Variable is a data element, also have a name, and it could use to work with data that can change. I think you learned this in physics and also math. For example, in math, there is something like this. Have you seen this before?
Yes.
Yeah, this is variable. Okay. And how about physics? You also have this in physics. Yeah. Have you ever seen this in physics?
Yes.
Yeah. So, yeah, this is variable. Oh, by the way, how about your high school? Do you take a natural science or social science?
I, I don't think there's an option for that.
Oh, for senior high school, you don't have like this and this one. So you don't have.
There, there's only like biology and it's separated. It's separated.
Oh, yeah, yeah, it's separated like biology and
And physics and
physics, and then
and
chemistry. Do you learn economy?
no, I don't choose.
Yeah, yeah. So it means you take natural science. So you learn,
Yes.
yeah. So you don't take economy. You don't take what else? Yeah, economy, sociology.
Well, yeah. Well, I learned
Yeah,
this.
yeah. So yeah, yeah. So yeah, you take natural science. Yeah, okay. Then it will be easier. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So here, for example, we have two variables. What is that?
Yeah, sprint.
What is the variable name?
Oh, hours,
Hours.
minutes.
Yeah, hours and minutes. Okay, now my question is, why it prints 7.5? Why it doesn't print 6?
Because this is after.
Yes, so programming is like this. So even though you set 6 at the beginning, if you replace the value, 7.5, now it becomes 7.5. Okay. Okay, here there is a bad name in creating variable names. A, num. If in physics or in math, it's okay to doing this, but in programming, you should not do this. Also, the last one also wrong because the first one is too short. Okay, the first one is too short. If you read this, you will not know what is data inside. And for the last one, is too long. Okay, so we should not choose too long or too short variable name. Okay. Yeah, later, like if you take computer science and if you work in computer science, usually you will work in a team. So for example, you code and later your friend will continue. So if you want other people to understand your code, yeah, you should not give a short variable name or too long. Okay, next. Yeah, this is the good one. The only short and also explain what is inside. For example, surname. It means the data storing a surname and also ticket price and amount of student. Okay, and here there are three data type. Okay, for example, this one is integer. Yeah, integer is storing number. This one, if it's a decimal, we use decimal as a dot. Yeah, if we use decimal, we call as a float. Okay, and then this is a string. Some people say string is a character, but actually it's not only character. It also can store number. So I assume a string is anything between single quote. Yeah, anything between single quote is a string or double quote. So for example, I will test. Is this a string? Which one is string? Yeah, wait, let me give you option. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, which one is string here?
1 and 2.
Yeah, 1 and 2. How about number 3?
It has no uh, code.
What is that?
Code.
Float. Yeah, float. And then what? How about number 4?
It's an integer.
Yes, okay,
In,
good job. Integer. How about this one?
an integer.
Yes, okay. Integer. Next. Yes. Can you tell me the result?
22,000.
Yeah, good job. 22,000. Okay, next. Can you tell me the result? Feel free to use calculator.
$11,000.
Yes. Okay, understand, yeah? Okay, let's try the exercise. Can share screen.
Wait.
Mm. Refresh. Can you refresh? Yeah, we go to number 2. Okay. Okay. Number 1. Yeah. Please choose the answer is more than one. More than one answer, yeah? There are 3. Yes. Yes, one.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, good job. Next. Next. Okay, typing. Okay, good. Next. Okay, good job. Next. Okay, fix the bug. So it means there is an error that you have to fix. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's right. What else? Yes. Oh, yeah, please delete. What else?
That is,
How about the guide? After the guide.
oh, yeah.
What else? If it's a string, you need to.
That's
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, try. Is that right? If it's right, submit.
done.
Okay, good. Understand ya? Next, number 5. Oh, this one you know to print. You look at this. It is a total. So yeah, yes.
And
Yeah,
then
yeah, yeah. It's already correct. Total equals. Yeah. And then what else?
input backward.
No need because it's number, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can try again. What is the error? Yeah, what is the error?
Mm.
Yes. Submit. Hmm. Adult price is not exist. You look at this, you look at this. Children price not exist. You look at this. No, no, it's already correct. That one is children. Undo, undo. Yes, this one, right? It's okay. How about this one? Hmm. Okay, can you submit? Okay, yeah. That's right. Number 6. Okay, yeah, this time you read. And yeah, what should you do? Mm-mm.
It's
And then, yeah, you do print in here. What should you print? The total, the price of. Yeah, is it already correct? No, right?
no.
So how to do it like this in math? You have to add a bracket.
Mm.
Otherwise, it will just times the passport. Yeah, okay, try again. Yeah, the result is different, yeah. Submit. Okay, good. Next, number 7. Do you understand what they want?
It's
Asking
it,
for
uh, like the percentage, putting it down.
asking there is a discount, right? 35% discount. How about the price? Previously is, yeah, you can write here first. 56,720. Typo. Remove the comma, yeah. In Python, if it's 1,000, you don't need a comma. Yeah. And then how about the new price? You should do a discount. How to calculate a discount? Can you check this? Yeah, look at this. For example, we have money $100. Okay. If a discount 10%, it will be $100 times 0.9. Do you know what is 0.9?
It's another 10.
90%.
Five.
Because it's 10% reduction, right? So 100% minus 10% is 90%. So the price times 0.9. How about this one? How many percent?
35.
Yeah, 100 minus 35 is,
65.
yeah, 65%. So it will be
65.
0.65. So new price is price times, no, you mentioned the variable name. Price 0 point. And don't forget to print. Submit. Okay, good. Next. Uh, can you refresh maybe? Yeah, wait. Okay. Yeah, close. Okay. Choose which one that has no error and show this one. It's more than one answer, yeah. Let's see. It's three. Okay, try. Okay, good. Next. Yeah, please read first. Do you understand what they want?
The total price.
Yes, total price. Price on weekend and weekday. So, mm, yeah, and then before print, you create a variable for total first. Total equals, mm, yes, and calculate. weekend times and weekdays times.
Yeah. Then find is the total.
Yes. Yeah, submit. It's not 6 and 3, I guess. Can you check again? Is it 6 and 3?
Yes.
Oh, it's not 6 and 3. Weekday. How many? Um, Look at this. Weekdays is
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, let me check. Wait. Weekday is 4. Yeah. Why you write 3 and 6?
It's because that does these two and
No, no. Here, look at this.
oh
Mm-mm. So, and then, yeah, that's right. Submit. Why is still wrong? Yeah, let me check again. The weekdays times. It's not 6. It's not 6. Only 5. Mm. Okay, submit. Okay, continue. Yeah, you just run the program and try to understand.
the integer of input. They,
Yeah,
they,
in integer of input, it means you ask the program to input something. So the program asks the user to input something. And why they have integer input? It means you should input a number instead of text. And after that, you do calculation. Uh, the price of the ticket and number of tourists. So it will be 1 times 3 is 3. Okay?
yes.
Okay, you can submit. You go back. Yes. Can submit. Oh, just run the program. Okay, okay. Input number. Uh-uh. Enter. Yes. You go to the next one. Yes. Based on that program, answer the question. Yeah. More than one answer. Yeah. Let me check. It's yeah. You can you guess the answer? Yes. Yes. Very good job. Next. Okay. You can. Before we go to the next one, do you need to drink water or eat a little bit?
No, no.
Okay. You can stop share. Let me share screen. Don't need to go to toilet.
No.
Okay. Share screen. Okay. Can see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah, so today, next topic is data input. Yeah, I think you saw something like this before on the last exercise. So today we learn about input. So input is when you tell, when the program tell the user to input something, okay? And by default, input, it will return a string. So it will return something like this, Williams. That's why if you want to work with number and do mathematical operation, you need to do integer here. But if you don't need to work with number, yeah, don't need integer. Okay?
Okay.
Next. Yeah, so how to do it? We use a variable called result, is just example, and that input and the hint for the user to input. Yeah, for example, like this, the price of additional services. Okay. Yeah, when they input 300, it's error, unsupported operand type. Why? Because by default, this add service will return a string. So you cannot do like this. It will be 300 like this, right? And then we have to plus with this, right? It will be error because of this. So how to solve it? Look at this. We convert the add service, yeah, this one, to a number. So previously it's like this, right? If we do this, it will become this. Okay. So after we do this, what is the result? What is the result?
It's 2800.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, let's try exercise.
Registration.
Yeah, share screen.
And I just answered.
Yeah, more than one answer, yeah. Let me see. Four. Okay, the wrong one is this one. So because integer is not to print number, but it's to convert. So it's not to print. One more. The result of input is always a
String.
string. Okay, good. Next, typing. Yes. Yes, continue. Okay, go next. Okay, fix an error. What else? Feel free to go back. Hmm. You see?
Then you
What else? Look at this. Can you remove? Hmm. Okay, try. Okay, good. Number 5. Yeah, another fixed bug. Why it's error? Yes. And submit. Okay, excellent. Next, number 6. Yeah, if you forget, feel free to go back. Don't forget to convert to integer. Oh, yeah, yeah, you can do that. Next. Yeah, price.
Yes.
Not minus, multiplication, right? Times. Oh, sorry. Yeah, sorry, minus, sorry. I misread the question. Bonus. Yeah. It's already correct. And then discounted price. Yeah. Continue. Yes. You can submit. Okay, cool. Next, number 7. Yeah, so you do something like the picture. Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yes. Submit. Okay, good. Next question. Yes. You choose the correct answer more than one. Wait, let me check. There are two. Oh, okay. Before I said to you, like even though this is a number, okay,
It is
even though
easy.
it's a number, you don't have to put integer unless
Oh,
we do mathematical operation like we do plus, minus, times. If we don't do it, yeah, it's fine to use just input.
okay.
Yeah, but yeah, if you use integer, it's also okay. One left.
Are you still the same?
Oh, really? Wait, yeah. Input name. Number. No, it's not the same. Look at this.
Five.
Different one. Next. Okay, good. Next. Yeah, read the question. What do you think? Do you understand?
So times and then plus. No, times and
Yeah, times.
then times again.
That's yes, yes, use times. Try. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Where's the 5% go?
0.1. Okay. This one is wrong. It's not 0. Mm, it's refund, okay? It's not discount. So if it's refund, what does that mean?
You plus. No, wait, plus.
It's not like you press. They ask you the refund, right? The
Yes.
cashback. 5%. So it will be
5.
0.05. Yes. Yes, continue. Mm. Yes, try. Submit. Okay, next. Yeah, you just run and then answer the question. Run the program and understand the code. Yeah, what does that mean? Okay, if you already understand, you can submit.
Where's the this is not mattering.
Yeah, it's just trick you.
Ah, yes.
Okay, submit. Okay, next. Answer. There are four answers. One left. Yes. Okay, that's it. Let's try to review what you had learned today. So what you had learned?
The input and integers.
Input. What else?
So
Or why we use input?
to get uh, an input, a new variable.
Oh, input is to get a new value from the user. So yeah, you tell the user to input something. How about variable? Why we use variable?
To assign a name to.
Uh, yeah, you assign a name to variable, but it used to store a value. Yeah, to store a value. So it could store number or strings. What do you think? Is it difficult?
Mm, no, again, it's just math.
Not difficult, yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Now can you go back? Yeah. Can you click this? Yeah. Here, can you answer later for next week? Can you answer only two? This one and this one as a homework?
Okay.
Yeah, so answer only two, yeah, two answer, and next week we discuss again. Okay?
Oh,
Okay. Yeah, so far I think you did a good job because you're able to implement by yourself. Yeah. I don't help you that much. Yeah, so good job on that. So yeah, I hope you can review a little bit. So yeah, I told you to do two questions so you have your own time to review it a little bit. Okay, do you have any other question?
no, no.
Okay, so yeah, if you don't have any other question, yeah, I think that's it for today class. So yeah, don't forget to do those two. And see you next week. Bye bye.
I miss.
Okay.